What's happening, guys? Tila here with my friends from Lee Kum Kee, and I'm going to be making an air fryer sriracha and honey chicken leg. And it starts with a dry season, and I'm just going to be doing salt, pepper, and my twist here is a little bit of garlic powder. The magic that takes this over the top is going to be that sauce with this Lee Kum Kee sriracha and this soy sauce. So again, make sure to season well all of your proteins with the chicken leg quarters and any chicken that goes into the air fryer. In fact, any protein, please make some room for air circulation. So just make sure they're not touching each other. Make sure they each have just the slightest bit of separation, and that's gonna guarantee brown, even cooking all the time. 15 minutes, 350 degrees, and we're gonna make our delicious sriracha honey sauce. As the chicken leg quarters are cooking for 15, it's the perfect time to make up this sauce. And it couldn't be easier. It is 4 ingredients, 4 very delicious ingredients. Let's start with the stuff you already have in the pantry. This is just honey, regular old honey. You can get as fancy as you want with it. So I want a little bit of acidity in all my dishes, so I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh lime juice. And here comes the magic. It's one of the few srirachas on the market that is non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, which also means it's vegetarian, so very, very clean label. And you're not sacrificing any flavor that way. If you've never had sriracha, it's kind of like spicy, heavenly, garlicky sauce. It really goes with everything. Next, we've got the Panda brand premium cooking soy sauce by Lee Kum Kee. Now, this is my go-to soy sauce because most soy sauce is just salt. This sauce actually has a lot of depth of flavor. It gives you a lot of savoriness, plus that tiny hit of sugar really rounds out the flavor and makes this sauce really delicious. So now all I have to do is mix this all together. There it is. My glaze is ready. It is time for chicken legs. Let's pull them out and glaze them. Oh yes, take a look, my friends. The chicken is kind of medium to medium well right now. The skin still needs to brown a little bit, and that's why we're applying the sauce now. So I'm just taking a little silicone brush, just enough to really get every single millimeter of that chicken coated through, and we're gonna put this back in the air fryer 350 degrees for 2 more minutes, and we're gonna be done. I'm gonna show you a way to make this a feast with some other side dishes. So 2 minutes, 350 degrees. So to make this a complete Chinese New Year menu, I've made a few sides. We've got bok choy, which kind of symbolizes like money. Anything green is always like money in Chinese New Year. We've got a little tiger salad. It's basically cucumber, bell peppers with a really fun kind of spicy sour dressing. And then of course we have fried rice. And the main event is the chicken, and it's done. Let me show you what it looks like. 2 minutes with the glaze, and look at how really beautiful those came out. I'm gonna brush this one more time with our sauce, but as you can see, from kind of like cooking the chicken legs through, 2 more minutes with the sauce gives you this absolutely gorgeous, almost like a barbecue glaze. And you can again apply this to just about anything at all. Oh, little final touches there. We'll do the glaze, a little bit of scallion. There you have it. We have our Chinese New Year feast anchored by a very delicious honey sriracha chicken legs. This will be sure to make your Chinese New Year feast outstanding. As my grandma would say, Gong Hei Fa Choi. For more recipes like this, go to lkk.com. I am Tila. We'll see you later.